On October 3, 2025, officers respond to a reported domestic dispute near a residence. What begins as questioning quickly escalates when a man is seen swallowing an unknown substance.
What? Bro, shot him out with him in the alley just west of 9th Street, 900 block.
Huh?
What's going on?
We're arguing.
I see that. About what?
She's freaking out.
Okay.
I don't know why.
Did you hit her or anything?
Hell no.
Okay. Come stand over here for me.
No.
What's your name, sir? Hey, you're not free to go.
I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
He put something in his mouth. Put him on the ground. On the ground. Rochelle, we're fighting with him. Give me some help, please. Spit it out now. Spit it out now.
Hey.
Stop resisting.
What is the problem?
April, stop.
What are you doing?
Stop. Get his hand
Why are
behind
you
his
guys
back.
doing that?
resisting,
Back up,
dude.
April.
No, I won't.
Stop.
No, I won't.
Get his arm behind his back. There you go.
Why?
There you go. Now
You
knee
guys
right on
didn't
his
even
elbow.
read him as- What
Right
the
there.
you guys
Get
doing,
your
bro?
handcuffs.
What are you guys doing? Why are you doing that? Hello? Hey. Hey.
Do you need an
Look.
ambulance? What did you swallow?
Hey. Hey. Look.
Rochelle
here,
302. Roll me an ambulance,
Hey.
please. He swallowed
I
something.
don't know. They
what-
just pulled over the car and they got him tackled. Why are you guys tackling him?
Hey, stop. Back
No.
up.
For what?
April, stop.
No. You.
Okay.
Why are you? You didn't even read him as rights. What the?
Two.
Why not? What are you guys doing?
Back up.
What are you
Back up.
doing?
Last time I'm going to tell you you're going to go to handcuffs.
What are you doing?
We're not going to do this, April.
Do what? Do
Affirm.
what?
Stop.
What are the you guys doing, man?
Let us do our job and back up.
Yeah, no. You in your job. What are you doing? You guys didn't even read this man his rights.
You're done.
Get off of me.
You're done.
Get off of me. Please
You're
get
not.
off
No.
of me.
Put your hands behind your back.
Please stop.
I told you to back up multiple times.
I'm done.
Nope.
Please let
Put
me
your
go.
hands behind your back.
Please let me go.
Nope.
Please let me go. I'm done. Please. Please let
Stop.
me go.
Now.
Please let me go.
Nope.
Ah! What are you guys doing, man? Stop!
April, stop.
What are you doing, man?
Stop resisting.
Why did you guys pull up on us like that?
Stop. Now.
Please stop.
Stop it.
Please get off of me. Why?
Nope. Stop, April.
Please, it hurts. It hurts.
Then stop. Get handcuffs and put him in.
Please get off.
Whit, come here.
Get off.
and Get her
Oh,
handcuffed.
God, please get off.
guys to stop him.
I'm not resisting, please.
Huh? What did I
Get
do?
off of me. You guys.
What did I do?
Oh,
You said that the
Okay.
please get off.
She has not been searched. They were screaming.
Oh,
She's just getting in my face. Won't back
No, I
up. Won't do
didn't.
anything. Stop.
I'm gonna. You know,
I know you are.
get off of me, please.
All right, back off her back.
Oh, God, please.
Stop.
Oh.
Are you going to stand up? You're not going to stand up? Then you're going to stay there.
Yes, I'm gonna stand up.
You're going to stand up and you're going to bring
What
her
are you?
back down.
Why are you? Why am I under arrest?
Are you going to keep resisting? If you are, I'm going to put you here.
Why am I under arrest?
You're not right now. Right now, you're detained.
Why though?
Because you will not listen. So stop. So will you stand up? Or no?
Yes.
diabetes.
If you guys,
Then stop.
if you guys let me, I'm gonna
Go to your side. Go to your side. Roll your knees to your chest. Sit up. No, your knees to your chest. There you Knees to your
What are
chest.
you guys doing,
Knees to your
man?
chest. And help you stand up.
Oh, wow. I can see.
There you go. I don't want to pull on your shoulders.
Where did you feel?
Get off of me.
Nope.
Hey, give me my stuff,
We're cleaning it up.
please.
And you got crack pipe here, right there.
No, I ain't got nothing.
Bull crap, you don't.
Please don't. I ain't got nothing.
Get her that way toward my car. Yep. Put your knees to your chest.
Knees to chest. Flip flop. Come on.
All right.
Don't worry about the flip flop.
What's your
falls off, we can put it back on.
What's your name,
You're
sir?
not gonna lose it. Other one as well.
I can't do the other one.
Other one as well.
Look at that knee.
See that?
Okay, now just sit up, sir. It's not a hard
Full knee
concept.
replacement.
There you go.
Look at my knee.
Okay.
Okay, stay where you're at, all right? I can't fucking bend it like that.
I've been for fucking 10 years now. You guys just want to stop me?
As officers try to secure the scene, both individuals refuse to comply with commands. Bodycam footage captures the tension, resistance, and medical concerns officers must manage in real time.
Fuck you mean?
Take a deep breath, you're good. She ain't calling down.
Huh?
All right, go ahead and lock these, because can't go on that back side.
Just let me take a deep breath. Hey, would you guys be calm if
We're
we
being
ran up
calm.
on you like this? What are you guys doing, man?
We're just securing these so they don't tighten up on you. That's all.
Yeah.
That's all we're doing.
If you keep on moving, it's going to be
I
harder
need
for
to
them to
stick my
take.
hair out of my mouth.
Here, I got you. Hold on. There we
Okay,
go.
that's secure.
No, it's not.
Okay.
Not all of it.
Go ahead and secure her in 17. Here's where we're at with this, okay? I'm going to read you something. I want to make sure you understand something. You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand that? Mm-hmm. Anything you say can be used against you in the court of law and other proceedings. You have the right to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions, make any statements during questioning. You understand that? Mm-hmm. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you for questioning if you wish. You understand that? Mm-hmm. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights, not to answer any questions, make any statements. Understand that? Mm-hmm. Okay. Obviously, you're handcuffed and stuff right now is because you tried leaving after I ordered you to stop. Stop.
Sorry.
When I don't even have an opportunity, I'm getting called to this area because there's a male and a female in a gray vehicle domesticating. I see you guys run parallel, watch me. I flip around, I see you yelling at her. Gray vehicle in the area. We got called that a male hit a female. All that matches. I'm ordering you to stop. You said, nope, I'm not. And you started leaving away, and then you threw stuff in your mouth. So, my question to you, sir, I want to, one, get you medical help, because that's my priority number one. What did you eat, because so these guys can help you in case you need it? Did you eat some crack?
No.
What'd you eat?
A diabetic pill.
Sir, you wouldn't have done that with a closed fist and chucked it down your mouth for a diabetic pill. I know what April does. I'm not stupid. It's not my first day. So, again, if it's some crack, whatever, I want to be able to have these medics be able to help you if need be. Or if it's fentanyl, I want to make sure they could definitely help you.
I want to remain silent now.
You want to remain silent?
Yep.
Okay.
I want a lawyer.
So, where we're at?
I'm the medic.
Oh, okay. Got called here for domestic in progress, rolling. Made contact with him. He tried getting away from me, chucked stuff in his mouth. Judging by who he's with, it'd be crack cocaine would be my guess.
Okay.
Wouldn't shock me if it was fentanyl as well. So my main concern is he started almost like regurgitating on the ground. I want to make sure in case it was something, we got ambulances out quick.
Yeah, of course.
He's denying any of that, of course.
Okay.
But it was very obvious it was ingested. He was trying to get it down, probably still in a baggie.
Got it.
He was having a tough time getting that down.
Okay.
That is my fear at this point.
Okay. His name, do you know?
It is David Knight.
David. My name's Zach. I'm with the ambulance. Okay. So,
patient back here.
That's April. No, April's. She
this
just.
is a circumstance we've come across.
Time for.
They get that.
All right. We had a crack pipe right here. Right here. Yep. I'm gonna just put the crack pipe in here for now. She's got other bags in here with white powder in it. It's all in plain view when I picked it up. There's white powder, crack pipe. I've told her multiple times to get back. She kept approaching me, getting in my face, so she's gonna be arrested for obstructing.
Sounds good.
He's gonna go for obstructing and resisting as well. Obviously having to be taken to the ground, so.
When's the last time that you've taken any?
Someone needs to be with her, yeah.
Mark's with her right now.
Okay. Hey, April, have you calmed down enough for me to talk to you? Okay.
You I know.
Me of all people.
You I know. Hold
Me
on.
of all people. So here's what's gonna happen. You're gonna be arrested for obstruction, all right? For not.
Okay, I didn't.
So
look,
what's gonna happen?
If
Is,
someone ran up on you, like what? I didn't know what was going on.
April, and once I read
Okay.
you Miranda, I'll be happy to talk to you more. I'm just
did.
telling you. I hear you.
So-
I understand, and I'm not mad at you. I'm not mad at you, but I'll talk to you more at the police department after I read you Miranda, okay? So you're probably gonna get an NTA and be released anyways, April.
Why is my friend arrested?
He's an adult. He'll worry about his own
No,
stuff.
I am. We're all adults. Come
So-
on, man.
I will talk to you more once I read you
Yeah.
Miranda. Okay? I can't talk to you more about the crime unless I read you Miranda
I know.
first. I know.
Obstruction?
Yep. Should have listened.
Thank you for watching this real police body cam footage. Domestic calls can escalate rapidly and involve serious safety risks. This channel shares content for education, awareness, and transparency. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.